The rehabilitation of Epifanio de los Santos Avenue or EDSA is set to begin in March, starting with the southbound lanes, according to the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority. In a palace briefing on Wednesday, February 5, MMDA Chairman Don Artes says the Department of Public Works and Highways is finalizing the project's timetable and traffic management plan. According to Artes, the goal is to complete the rehabilitation in time for the Philippines hosting of the Association of Southeast Asian Nations Summit in 2026. Artes also says the project might face challenges due to simultaneous drainage system improvements on EDSA. He notes that previous road projects encountered delays due to existing utility lines.
Niraise lamang po natin yung concern na since yung drainage po ay nasa outer lane, marami pong utilities dyan eh. And based on our experience, kahit po mag-walk-through, mag-mark, minsan po yung as-built plan, hindi nasusunod eh, ng mga telcos, ng water utilities na during construction may tinatamaang linya na nagpapabagal po.
To minimize disruptions, the MMDA says it identified key areas with limited alternate routes. Artes cites the Kamuning flyover closure as an example where efficient traffic management prevented severe congestion. Artes mentions that a proposed out-of-the-box solution was discussed with President Bongbong Marcos, but details remain undisclosed pending further review. The MMDA chief expresses optimism that once the EDSA rehabilitation is completed, traffic will improve.
Magpapabilis po yan ng daloy ng traffic. Kasi kung makikita naman natin, dumadaan naman siguro tayo araw-araw ng EDSA, maraming portions dyan ang lubak-lubak pa dahil nasisira na, napakatagal na po rin kasi ng EDSA. So pag nagawa po ito, lalagyan ng magandang asfalto, mas bibilis po yung daloy ng mga sasakyan. So hopefully it will improve yung traffic situation sa EDSA once the rehabilitation ay makumpleto.